How to activate Joker MasterCard. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can activate Joker MasterCard. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser. On your web browser, search for Joker MasterCard. After you search for Joker MasterCard, you will see Joker Card's website. Head over to the website. You can directly go to jokercard.ca as well. After you're here, what you'll need to do is to simply activate your card, you'll first have to register for it. So you'll see the register card option right here, tap on it, and it'll take you to another website. So here you can see cardholder.jokercard.ca. Just let this website load. And after it does load, what you'll need to do is here you'll find check balance or register card. Select the register card option. Then all you have to do is type in your prepaid card number, your expiration date, and then your 3-digit code, that is your CVV2. After you do that, tap on register card, and it can take some time. They might ask you for your verification. Just go through all that procedure and your card will get activated. And it's that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.